Hello everybody, welcome to another video review. Today I wanted to share with you my impressions, and this is not just first impressions. I've been using this for over a month of LectroFan. And so it's a tiny little thing like this, and basically it's a white noise machine. I got this because my neighbors are incredibly rude and obnoxious, and they let the dogs bark nonstop. So I needed something to help me not hear it. I used to have a regular white noise machine, the one that people use in professional offices, doctors' offices. But I've never heard of this one. And in fact, this one did not show up on Amazon until I actually searched for it. The way I found this brand was I found it on a website that was for misophonia, and you can Google what that is. But basically, they recommended this. So let's take a look at it. Regular plug-in, regular electric outlet, but this thing is not regular, because while this is just basically a speaker, the sounds it produces can probably match anybody's taste. So I'm going to go through the different settings and show you. So the first setting is the setting that I use mostly. So there are multiple settings. There are fan sounds and there are white noises. You can increase or decrease the volume right here. And then there is on and off power, and you can also set it for 60 minutes. So I'm going to go through different modes, and you can hear the sounds a little bit better yourself to see if this is a good fit for you. I'm going to increase the sound to the loudest, quite loud, and this is the lowest, almost not. You can't hear it. So this is this mode that I like. Let's listen to other fan sounds. It was a weird transition. You don't really hear it, like this weird sound. And I think it indicates that you went through all the modes. Maybe not. I think that's it. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to listen to the white noises. Again, not sure what that was. one is almost higher pitch. So I actually prefer, I think that boom sound, it indicates that you start over with the modes. My favorites are the lower sounds, like this. I'll just increase the volume. And then you can shut it off like this. So, overall, I really like it. I think it's better than a regular white noise machine with the fan. I do prefer mostly fan sounds. So here you can see different fan sounds. So the fan sounds, there are 10 of them. It varies from large fan, then industrial fan, mellow fan low, mellow fan high, exhaust fan, attic fan, circular fan, vent fan, box fan, and oscillating fan. And the noises, remember I mentioned the pitches, right? So there's from lowest to high pitch, and the last ones before that boom sound was the highest pitch. So so it goes from brown noise, chestnut, cinnamon, tan, amber, cream, pink, coral, champagne, pure white. I don't know if it tells you anything. It doesn't tell me anything. The lowest pitch is something that I go for. So the brown would be my favorite, and the highest pitch is pure white. I'm not sure I'm a big fan. It just triggers something in me. I don't like it. So there's a lot of instructions here, which I like. And this company, now none of this is sponsored. I bought everything myself. I found it myself as well. But I cannot say enough good things about this company. It's a small business, and I think if you are looking for a solution to sleep better, or if you have loud neighbors playing music, or perhaps you just don't like the silence in your house, I think this is a really good solution that is not overly loud, causing headaches. In fact, when I downloaded the app to measure the decibel level, which is basically how loud does it get. And granted that I only listened to this device on like a medium setting, it didn't exceed 35 decibel, which is pretty quiet, and even for long term, it does not damage your hearing. It's not, I mean, obviously, no decibel is probably the best, but if you are looking for a solution to deal with your neighbors, I think this could be it. I hope this was useful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you have any alternative solutions, or maybe other white noise machines, feel free to comment below. I will also link this LectroFan, and if you're interested, you can check it out yourself. In the meantime, take care of yourself and be well. Goodbye.